Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, but this is update number 22 of the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. It is into September. We're past the middle of September, and I finally was able to do my September deposit. So what I am doing is building my portfolio up slowly. Started from $0 back in April, depositing about $500 a month typically, and trying to build our trade portfolio up to $100,000. So we did the September deposit. I put in $500 just a couple days ago. The stocks are bought and added. So let's get into the portfolio. We'll give you an update on how the portfolio is doing. And there's no new stocks that I purchased, but buying more of the ones that are on and built in our portfolio that we're trying to build up here. So thanks for watching. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. All right, here we are. This is our TFSA trade portfolio. We are down a little bit in the past month, but we'll show you what stocks I bought, and then we'll do the all-time returns, and we'll show you how the stocks have performed and overall performance on the portfolio. So we haven't purchased any new positions or new stocks or ETFs. We're still doing the same. So for the latest update, Brookfield, this is the Brookfield Renewables Partners, BEP.UN. This one's doing quite well, actually. We have 5 shares of this. Total value today, $248.20. We are up 5.75%. That's quite nice. I like this one. I want to buy more of this. I just haven't been able to. It was actually up over $50 the earlier this week. The next one, Cineplex. Cineplex has been starting to slowly come back up. Closed off $13.46. So our total value, we have 25 shares of Cineplex, $336.50. We are up 5.54%, $17.65, which is kind of nice. Actually, I've been thinking of possibly just kind of selling this, taking my money and run, and possibly just putting that into, I think, VDY. We'll see how it does next week on the market for that one. CMC, Cielo Waste Solutions. This one has not been doing well. This is our long-term kind of growth stock play. Just a little bit of money in this one. We're not putting all our eggs in this basket by any means, but our average price was 124, but it is down. It was down quite a bit more than closed it on the week, 74 cents, but we were down actually quite a bit more earlier in the week, but we didn't sell anything. We have 150 shares. Total value was $111, but we are down. You can see there 40%. So these are the kind of stocks you don't want to put a lot of money into. It's a long-term kind of play. Just we put basically, 175, just under $200 into this one, just to see how it kind of does. And we'll see. We're not going to be selling this anytime soon. If it goes down, it's just kind of more of a, I guess would be more of not a gamble, I guess was a better way to kind of say it, but not a big position in there. Greenlane Renewables. This one actually has been doing okay. They've signed, I've noticed on their news releases, they've signed another decent sized contract. So this one has actually, I mean, we are down on this stock still 6.62%, but it has been kind of going up. We are actually up over my average price earlier in the week. But again, this is a long-term renewable energy play. We're going to keep that one for the time being. REI.UN, this is our real estate investment trust, RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, REI. This one's doing well, 25 shares. Now we purchased 5 more shares of this one for the month of September. So our total value, $564.50, total return 8.13%. So pretty good on RioCan. We're also getting our regular dividends that are coming in for this one. Our total return so far, 42.45, which is nice to see for RioCan. TransAlta Renewables, another renewable stock in the portfolio. We're down a little bit in this one, 3%. Regular monthly dividends as well, though, for this, so that is good. Our total value right now, $336.43, 17 shares. Haven't purchased any new shares of RNW this month. Solar Alliance Energy, as you can see, lots of renewable energy stocks. We're still down on this one, 25.20%. Again, long-term play, 300 shares. We're just going to let this one sit and see what happens for down the road. And this is our Slate Office Real Estate Trust. This one's doing well. Quite happy with this one I've purchased. Actually, we do get our regular monthly dividends as well. We have 30 shares of this. Total value $161.40. We are up 1.41%. The price seems to always our average price is $531, and the price kind of always seems to hover around the $535, $540 range, pretty consistently on that. But again, our regular dividends come in monthly, which is nice. And Telus, we purchased actually more Telus stock. This is a telecommunications company in Canada. I bought 5 more shares of that, so we are up still. Our average price has gone up a little bit to $20 because Telus has been doing quite well. Total value $430.80 for a total return $10.78, 2.57%. So happy with Telus. We'll see again our dividends coming in from that one too as well. TD stock, haven't purchased any more of this. This is our fractional share. We've talked about it before on the channel. There's fractional shares available, and Wealthsimple has actually released a bunch more options for fractional shares. I haven't really looked into it too much, but the Toronto Dominion Bank is the one that I did purchase, and we just have kind of a small position in that, 0.2501 shares of TD Bank, down a little bit, 1.86%. Value $20.63. Now we own TD in the next one here, VDY. So I think once TD kind of goes up and it shows I have a bit of a profit on there, eventually I'll just probably sell those fractional shares just to kind of take that out of the portfolio, just to kind of clean things up, because we do have the big 5 banks in this Vanguard VDY. This is the ETF, and I did purchase more of this. We purchased another 5 shares. And total value, this is the largest position in our portfolio, $1,411.55. We are up 2.61, so $35.94. Not too bad on the VDY. So let's just go in now. We do have a little bit still available to trade after the deposit there. We'll just kind of let that sit. We will go in here, so you can see actually for the month we are down $24.75. That's mostly going to be due to our Cielo Waste Solutions, which is okay. So we finished the day, we were down $20 on the past day. On the week we were down $43.61. You can see the jump in the graph. That was for the $500 deposit. Month down $24.75. Now for 3 months we are down $30, 0.74%. But all time 1 year we're almost kind of basically even, up $17.24, 0.43%. All time same, 17.43. So we've actually been going since April. I'm still happy with the portfolio. We've got the regular dividends coming in. I'm not too worried that we're up only a little bit. We're not here to make money overnight, and I think what I have learned by doing this is slow and steady will win the race. Thanks for watching and following along the portfolio update. We will continue doing on regular updates. We're trying to grow this portfolio, like I said, up to $100,000, slow and steady with regular small deposits onto the portfolio. If you have any questions, I am not a financial planner by any means, but if you had some questions, if I'm able to answer them, I'd be happy to try and answer them in the comments down below. I always appreciate it. If you are following along, let me know if you have some of these same stocks or ETFs in your portfolio. Love to know what you kind of think of them as well. Or if you have some, there's been a few people that have left kind of comments of ones to check out. I always kind of like checking out new stocks or ETFs. So if you have any suggestions to possibly add to the portfolio, I'd appreciate those as well. Just leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you all in the next update.